Hello, Earth Warriors! Are you ready to journey through the alphabet of greening your space with permaculture? Let's turn your thumb green from A to Z. A is for aquaponics, where fish and plants grow in perfect harmony. B is for biodiversity, essential for a resilient garden. C stands for composting, turning your scraps into garden gold. D is for drip irrigation, saving water one drop at a time. And E? That's for edible landscapes, delicious and decorative. F is for forest gardening, mimicking nature's own design. G stands for green roofs, turning your rooftops into gardens. H is for herb spirals, compact and efficient. I for integrated pest management, nature's own pest control. And J? Just-in-time planting, maximizing your garden's yield. K is for keyhole gardens, accessible and space-efficient. L stands for layer mulching, a blanket for your plants. M is for microclimate creation, custom conditions for your crops. N for natural building materials. And O? Organic practices, keeping it clean and green. P is for perennial plants, less work year after year. Q for quality over quantity in yields. R stands for rainwater harvesting. S for succession planting. And T? Terrace gardening, perfect for slopes. U is for urban permaculture, making cities greener. V for vermiculture, worms at work. W for water conservation techniques, X marks the spot for xeriscaping. Y for yield optimization. And Z? Zero waste gardening. And that's the A to Z of permaculture, turning your garden into an eco-paradise. Inspired to start? Hit that subscribe button, join the green revolution, and share your permaculture journey with us. Let's grow together.